Join me as I make this delicious goodness: fried jollof rice, peppered turkey, fish and beef, and also jollof beans. You guys, these meals would take you to heaven. So watch till the end to see how I made this deliciousness. Hello lovelies, let's get started. First, you want to wash your proteins really well. In there I have turkey wings, beef and fish. I also have some gizzard in there, so I'm going to add my chopped onions, ginger and garlic, and my mixed spices. Please use your preferred spices. I'm going to stir, cover and allow to cook. I will remove the fish after a while and allow the rest to cook properly. Once that is done, I will start frying. In my preheated oil, I will add pepper and onions for flavor. Then I will drop in the turkey and fry to my satisfaction. Fry the beef and fish. I'm going to leave you to enjoy the video.